Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with my daughter, Chelsi Stratton.
Hi.
From Chelsi Stratton Designs, and we thought it would be really fun to do the Jolly Box 2022 from Fat Quarter Shop unboxing together today. We also are here together because we want to remind you that we are going to be having a fun live stream on Wednesday, December 14th at 10 a.m. Pacific. That's 1 p.m. Eastern.
Yes.
And we are going to be sharing our new fabric collection and quilts and patterns.
Yeah, we're really excited about it.
Very excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into this year's Jolly Box. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's inside this month's box.
I'm so excited about this.
Cozy Christmas. They always do such a good job. The first one is a So Gifted quilt pattern. It finishes at 44 inches by 59 inches.
Oh, that's so cute.
Really cute with all the packages kind of offset. I feel like every quilter needs this, a red rotary cutter to use this time of year, right?
Okay, it's officially needing to be added to my...
It's cute. It's a Lori Holt, Riley Blake. They're, I guess, work together with Olfa for that.
I need a red one now.
So these are fabric markers from Laundry Basket. That's Adida Sitar. And these are to mark your fabric if you're sewing with something and you want to separate things in piles.
Oh, that's so clever.
Kind of like a little paper clip type.
Oh, that's so clever.
Yeah, this is the little card that you always get that tells you what's in. This is an Omni Rack Mini, and I am going to love putting some of my smaller rulers on this. They have slots.
Oh yeah, that's perfect for it.
Yeah, so if you're working at your workstation, you can do that. This is super cute. You can use this for pens, for scissors.
I love this one that it's a bit taller.
It's taller.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a lot more sturdy, you know, and yeah.
Look at that cute Santa picture image on it on the front.
Yeah, really cute. There are actually a wide variety of different styles of these, but I love this one. It's more like a pencil holder. And then Family Game Night with Kimberbell. These are playing cards, and there are 2 quilt-themed card games in here. So we'll have to open this up and see.
Yeah, Mom.
Okay.
I challenge you.
And then finally, there's always fabric. This is Kimberbell, and this is the Cup of Cheer collection.
Cutest little panel.
Really cute. 2 charm packs.
Oh, I love that.
Really, really fun. Just kind of flip through that. And with 2 charm packs, yeah, I feel like this will make the quilt that came with the box. But you could also just do, wouldn't that just a patchwork quilt with the 2?
It would be really, really pretty.
Super fun. And then I'm just going to open up the panel.
Yeah, I love this panel.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's so cute.
We'll just spread it out for the camera. Really, really cute. So many things you could do with this. Little pillows or a little wall hanging. I feel like these you could almost make into little
labels.
Labels, yeah.
Yeah,
really,
I love that.
Yeah, really great box.
I love this box. There's so much stuff that came in it.
Yeah, and if these do sell out each year, so I'll put a link up, but if you want one, I would try to go get it right away.
Yeah.
So, and some of these things are available even if you can't get the box. The fabric and the panel, I feel like a lot of the products might be available. The thing about the box is you get a big discount.
Oh, okay.
So, but yeah, we will link all the products and the boxes if there are any left. Okay, so that's it for the 2022 Jolly Box from Fat Quarter Shop. This was a really, really great box with lots of stuff.
I agree.
Yeah, really exciting. And don't forget about our December live stream on Wednesday, December 14th, 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern. We will have lots of fun things to share with you on that day. Thanks so much for stopping by.